To automate WorldPay password reset, you need to understand the process and the tools involved. WorldPay is a payment processing system that requires users to reset their passwords periodically. For security reasons, automating this process can save time and reduce the risk of password expiration. First, you need to have a WorldPay account and access to the WorldPay Business Manager. This is the online platform where you can manage your WorldPay account, including password reset. You also need to have an automation tool such as a script or a software program that can interact with the WorldPay system. The next step is to set up the automation tool to interact with the WorldPay system. This involves configuring the tool to log in to the WorldPay Business Manager. Navigate to the password reset page and enter the required information to reset the password. You can use a scripting language such as Python or a software program such as Selenium to automate this process. Once you have set up the automation tool, you need to configure it to run at regular intervals to check if the password needs to be reset. You can use a scheduling tool such as cron to run the script at regular intervals. When the script runs, it will log into the WorldPay Business Manager, check if the password needs to be reset, and reset it if necessary. It is also important to implement security measures to protect your WorldPay account and password. This includes using a secure connection to interact with the WorldPay system, storing your password securely, and limiting access to the automation tool. In addition, you should test the automation tool regularly to ensure it is working correctly and reset the password successfully. You should also monitor the WorldPay account for any issues or errors that may occur during the password reset process. Best practices for automating WorldPay password reset include using a secure connection, storing passwords securely, and limiting access to the automation tool. It is also important to test the automation tool regularly and monitor the WorldPay account for any issues or errors. By following these steps and best practices, you can automate the WorldPay password reset process and save time and reduce the risk of password expiration. This will also help to ensure the security and integrity of your WorldPay account and password.